Hello everyone, welcome back. In this Vue.js video tutorial, we are gonna learn how we can use the functions in the Vue.js. So how we can define the functions and how we can call the functions and all these things. So let's get started. So I just installed this project with the React.js CLI, and if you don't know how to install with the CLI, then you can get the link of this video in the description box. So let's get started. And this code is given by sample code is given by the Vue.js CLI, and here you can see that in the main.js file we call the view file, and inside the view we call the hello world component, and this is placed in the component. So I'm going to code here. Alright, so let's get started with the code. So first of all, I need some data to show here. So for that I need a data function, and in which function we have to define all the objects and all these things. So just use this. So I'm going to return with data function, and in the return, let's say I'm going to return a object with the message, and in this message we have this message, how to call a function. So I'm going to call it, and now you will see there nothing is here. So if I use this message in the double curly brackets, you can see that we are able to call this object. So let's say how we can call the method now. So for that we have a function, we have a property which is methods, and in these methods you can define your functions. Like let's say my function name is text fun, and here what I want to do, actually I want to change the value of this dot msg, that means this object. So I'm going to put the value is function called. Alright, so for the click I need we can say that a button. So just use the button here. So we can call right here, call function. All right, and okay, now just use the v dot on, and v dot on we use the click method here. So on click is simply mean the we define the view, and on means on click. All right, it will make a on click meaning. So I can call their test function. All right, so now let's try. There is some extra errors here. Okay, so let's click. Now you can see that the function is called here. All right, so thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any kind of query, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like this video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.